Alright guys, so the fall box has been delivered to everybody, and I put up a review, an unboxing and a review, so go check it out. I linked it above in the cards. And I had videoed the unboxing of this, but I have to tell you that I was really new at this and I didn't post it, and I really should have, because I think my opinion is awesome, and I still actually stick by the things that I said in my video with this. But I just wanted to take a minute or two to revisit the last box, because here we are, we all just got our new ones. We all have our opinions, and why not touch upon what is actually going on with the items we received last time. All right, so here's the box. I turned mine inside out because I don't really care for the layers in general. So maybe unpopular opinion, I don't really care, because if you like it, I think that's awesome. And if you don't like it, I don't mind. And let's get into it. The box is like one of my favorite colors, so I love the fact that you can reverse them. They have the quote, and I use these boxes and my Erin Condren shipping boxes for a ton of stuff in my closet. They just work perfectly to stack things. I label the sides, and then I know exactly what's in there, and blah, 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 blah. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, ta-da! So what you see here are two items that came in the box. Okay, we'll just go through. I thought I had the card somewhere here. Okay, with the magic of my pack rattingness, I even have the card. All right, so summer seasonal surprise box is here, and there was complete mixed reviews on this. People got these things and were livid, and I think that's ridiculous. Here's my take. Guys, it's a surprise box, okay? You are taking a chance. You're paying $40 for these items, and it's the fun of it. I love this because I don't know what's coming, and that thrills me. So let's run down what came in this box. We'll start right at the top. All right, exclusive sticker paper sticker book. Okay, now you're going to see that I didn't care for this. Maybe at some point I'll figure out something to do with it, but at this point I have not touched this sticker book at all, okay? I've not had any experience with a full sheet of sticker paper and doing anything with it. That might be factor number one, is why I haven't. Factor number two is, again, I don't really care for the layers theme, so this does nothing for me. When everything was released, I'm a flower power girl. If you've been watching my videos, you totally know that. If you haven't been watching my videos, now you totally know that. All right, so that was number one. So that was a flop for me, okay? That was a no-go. Sneak peek layers note cube. All right, so in order to bring this to you, I had to go get it off of my counter. And as you can clear, I just grabbed it right like it is. We use this. This sits on my counter and it gets used a ton. It may not seem like it, but it does. So this was an absolute hit for me. So we'll put that over here. All right, next is the exclusive Summer Memories Petite Journal. You can tell I didn't touch this either. So as far as memory keeping, not my jam. I would love to be able to figure out something else to do with this, but for now, I don't know. I did nothing with it. I like this, and it's got hope. Like, I have hope for this, so I don't think this is a complete flop, but I didn't use it yet, okay? All right, next up is the clear glitter Petite planner sleeve. All right, so I wasn't about to take it off of my 18-month. This is one of my most favorite things that came in this. I freaking love it. I loved it enough to get another one. Somebody was giving or selling theirs, and I use the Petites as a dump journal, constantly writing and jotting things down in these. So I put one on there, and I put one on my 18-month because these bad boys go with me all over the place. This one gets thrown in whatever bag, purse I have, and it completely protects this. At this point, with my last year's or last quarter, whatever, last time's 18-month, it was beat to hell. Honestly, I think it was ripped on the front. The back one was half off and I had to tape it, and this is awesome. So I used 2 of them. How about that? So big hit. All right, next up, Sneak Peek Dual Tip Highlighter Duo. All right, so these are in my Flower Power pencil pouch. So I would say that they're a hit. If you don't have these, I don't think it's the end of the world. I can write for you again with these. We had, well, that's what they look like. I guess I don't have to. One and the other. One's a little dark. I use this one for outlining and shading all the time in my planner. Big hit. Love them. And also, I love the casing, the packaging. The Mid-Century Circles designs is something that has been like sneaking up on me enough that I bought the other highlighters because they're so pretty. All right, so what's next? Glue tape. Glue tape. Honestly, I did not use this until my other Tombow glue tape. It finished it. I finished it. Oh my God. I finished it. So I busted this bad boy out and I've been using it. I think it's awesome. It does the job. It is blue underneath. And I think maybe that's why the packaging is blue. I don't know. It does look like little hearts and it stays all protected. I like it. I think it's a hit. The package comes, it's like $9 for 2 of them. Now, do I think that that's really a price point that I would pay for glue tape? Probably not. But I like it. I used it. It's functional and it's a hit for me. What's next? The pocket scissors. Okay. These. Let's be honest here. I couldn't even find the top because I use them so much, I don't even keep the lid on them anymore. They are in my my little caddy, and I use them constantly, daily, 10 times a day. These were a huge hit. Whatever the price they were, I'm sure that it was good. For some reason, this one didn't have the prices on it. All right, big hit. What's next? The textured zipper pouch. As far as, is it a sexy thing? No. It's kind of retro ugly, if you ask me. Do I really care? No. That's kind of the fun of it. Having this big, goofy, borderline ugly pouch in my purse is not the end of the world for me. What this thing does is provides me a nice, safe place to put some things that I may or may not need, use, want, have, but I have them with me. And it's even got a little fabric lining. It feels, no lie, it feels very cheap. This thing, it doesn't look beat up at all, and it's been in my purse. It was, until I changed purses. This thing was in my purse for probably like a month. So, I gotta tell you, as far as, am I gonna take this pouch, clutch, what is it called? Zipper pouch. Am I gonna take this zipper pouch, I'm gonna go put my makeup, my lipstick, and my cell phone in it, and stick it under my arm and go out to dinner? Probably not. Am I gonna use it because it's a zipper pouch that if something happens to it, I'm not gonna be completely devastated? Totally. Throw it in my purse, use it up. If something happens to it, who cares? I don't know why we have to be so critical of this pouch. It has served me purpose, and I appreciate that. And I mean, really, the more you're around it, it'll grow on you, I swear. All right, so last thing is the exclusive 2 sticker sheets. Okay. You could tell they're still in the plastic. That doesn't mean that I'm not going to use them. I completely forgot that I had them. That's really what it comes down to. So what I'm gonna do now is just open these up because I feel like I could use a couple of these in the upcoming week, but I really just forgot that I had them. I tucked them away immediately into the sticker book that I have only my Erin Condren stickers in, and I just forgot that they were there. So yeah, they're stickers, and I think they're really cool. I mean, they're like holographic even. Yeah, these are a win. Okay, the pouch is a win. I'm cool. So there's one thing in this box after all the bitching and moaning that everybody did, and everybody pressured other people. This is what I don't like. I don't like people pressuring other people to like or not like a surprise box. Guys, my opinion is my opinion. And if I like something, I really don't care what you think about if I like something. But I certainly don't appreciate you side-eyeing me. Stop trying to make people feel bad because they like something you don't. Good for them, they can use it. Okay, you didn't care for it. Hopefully somebody else can find a use for it. I'm done talking about it. But just so you know, these are the things that I liked and I use. And this is the one that didn't do anything for me. Okay? I think it's a win. My friends, I hope you enjoyed this quarter review of the box. I will definitely be hitting up the fall box when the winter one comes out. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you use this stuff. Do you use this stuff on a daily basis? I mean, do you hate some of it? How did you use this? Did you like this thing? Did you use it? I would love to hear that stuff. All right. So, till next time, peace.